This video covers bulb seal replacement for the Lippert pop-up roof system. The tools required for this procedure include a dry erase marker, identify the seam on the rear of the pop-up, then using the dry erase marker, make a mark to indicate where the seam was located. Take the leading edge of the seam in one hand and pull downward to release its hold on the pop-up. Continue this process around the perimeter of the pop-up until it's completely separated from the roof assembly. Beginning from the center mark, press the bulb seal onto the edge of the roof until it's in contact with the very bottom of the bulb seal channel. Rocking your hand back and forth while applying pressure will improve how quickly and consistently this contact is made. With your off hand, tightly stretch the bulb seal so that it secures itself firmly onto the fiberglass. On the back corners, slowly roll the seal around the edge. To avoid any sagging or loose materials, firmly strike the bulb with an open palm until it's secured to the fiberglass. Continue down the length of the pop-up, paying attention to the rounded corners at the front of the fiberglass. Stretch the rubber in an upward direction to make sure it snaps into place. Follow the contour very closely, making sure that the seal is tight and complete around the length of the corner. Once you return to the seam mark, there should be a slight overlap between the beginning and end of the seal. Make sure this overlap is tight. Then backfeed the seal onto the roof's fiberglass. If the seal appears to be too short to overlap itself, inspect the perimeter of the roof, looking for any spots where the seal appears to be bowing downward. Rock the seal back into position, making sure it's parallel to the roofline. The end of the seal should now be able to overlap itself. This completes the Lippert pop-up roof system seal replacement procedure.